It's at top of the morning, guys. I'm on the jetty this morning doing some fishing, you know. Yeah, man, the rain and stuff and the whole of weed and stuff up on the east. I don't bother, we can't bother go so far. If we go walk up on weed and furthermore, we can't get no bait. Just barely get 1 and 2 little bait. So I say I'm gonna stay up on the jetty today. And do little fishing on the jetty, you know. As long as it don't get too crowded, I'm gonna stay here for a little while, you know. But if it get too crowded, no, I have to leave. But yeah. I'm gonna set out some line now. Cut bait. I start already now, pick up 2 sprat and 2 toffee. So I set out one of the toffee on that. I'm gonna put on a piece of sprat. Cause one of the sprat never make it. So I cut him up and put him out to catch some snapper, alright? So stay tuned, alright? Jetty fishing today. Hope we can catch something big today now. Although I don't know from what the fish them now bite on the jetty, but I don't know. I'll try today, alright? So soon come back. The way all the bait limited. I cut the sprat at about 7 pieces. Just fall on it. So look how small I put on the bait here, you see it? You see that? To all the bait them limited, me have to cut up the bait very small. That me can get a whole heap of pieces out of the bait. Alright, so I see me can get a little one snapper still. I don't know the big snapper them pick well. I mean that's a big but the size snapper with me like might have pick up this, you know, so I'll try it still and see where I go. Show it right over there, so there's some see them. I hear some see them people through, you know, so I don't know. I might just pick up some nice size snapper, 10 inches size and over, you know, mangrove snapper, so I don't know if I'll get any. I'll try still. Alright, so the first piece of bait out now. Small. We cut them up, you know, very small. So what I go on now. No? So this is the first snapper, guys. This is not my size snapper, you know. You know my legal size snapper already is what? It's 10 inches and over, and this looks like about 5 inches or 6 inches. So you know, so I'm gonna release that one here. I forget release, alright? So go on your ways. Don't come back until you get big, you know. Don't come back until you get big. Fish on. Ah, come here. Don't cut off. Come here, man. Jack. Guys. So second fish, right? Second fish, you know, jack. So you think we can keep that one here now? This because a blue runner. Now keep him. So me I say, yeah, blue runner. So go in that corner right one. So deal with you. All you go on them little blue runner, they can fry up still. Now fry me over fry up, you know. This is how we're going to. We're going to some baby fish out there at it. But better than that. Can't get up on the big fish spot, you know, so just go up on the baby fish spot. Although some big snapper bite here sometime, but I don't know. I can put on another piece of bait again and put him out. And like a strip of bait, man. Strip up the bait. Alright. Out there again. Right there, sir. Yeah. I'm gonna drop off now. Alright, so see that now, set out again. See if we can catch another one. First a small snapper, second A blue runner. Let me see if we can catch a bigger one now. No? Hope so. Aye, sir. Alright. Alright, guys, so I changed my destination. You know. I was at the jetty a while ago and boy, I not catch anything at all. So I just decided to boy, I come on a wiki wacky here, man, because you know, even though I don't have no bait, I still bait me go use. I have some still bait in the fridge, so boy, I come on here. So around this side already, so I come on to wiki wacky see if we can catch something, you know. So I'm going to set out a piece of bait now. Alright, so I have a piece of the tail, a tail piece right here, so I'm going to set it out. Tail, see there, people. I put it on now. And see if I can catch something with it. Alright, so let us see now. We have some weed in the water. I'm not sure if I'm lucky enough to hook up anything. But to be lucky, well, I'll just say here, you know. But I'm going to shoot a piece of bait here now and see. Alright, one snapper rod now. 25 pound, no, 20 pound braided line. Oops. Oh, see the bait gone. Hold on, I have to put on a new piece of bait. Throw off the bait. Alright. So deal with this. So I just throw off the little piece of bait I put on a while, so I have to cut another piece. Throw it off a while ago. The bait kind of soft still, you know, so we can't throw it too hard, you know. Yeah, we can't throw it too hard because the bait is soft, so I have to just be careful when I throw it. And that's the trouble, you know. Anyhow, I'm going to see. Out there. Till the drop right in a bungalow weed. Next back. One whole heap of weed dropping in, brother. That's it. I'm going to manage with this now, sir. With the whole heap of weed. I'll carry my line. I'll carry my line now. That's the trouble. Big trouble that. Anyhow, I'm going to see if we can get a hook up. Alright, so I'm soon come back, people. Alright, guys, fish on. Yeah? This is the first one, first fish. Come here, boy. Come here. This one feels like a nice stuff, but also weed up on the line, so I'll take time with him, you know? Take time with him because weed up on the line. And I wonder if I weed alone up on the line, start. It feels like him not even move. I wonder if him up on the line. Hold on there. Or a weed. But still, there's something to the line still, you know. I'm having a circle look, so I don't know. A weed. Brother. No? What's snapper there too? You see that, people? Watch it now. Weed and snapper, guys. See there? Beautiful snapper. What I say? Hold on there. What we did have this right here, so. Alright, people. See me now? Hold on there. Hold on, people. See me? Whoa, come on, no lane snapper. Behave yourself now. Circle look. Make me give me now. And him solid the circle look. So you know, sir. Watch out now. Right, it come him solid the circle look. Alright, guys. So see him there. Beautiful lane snapper. See there, nice one. See that? Yeah, so that's it. But I'm just roll up my line, pack up my line, and rather everything. And so, boy, I'm out of here, yeah, man. But I just catch one snapper this man. I catch one jack on the jetty, one little jack. You know, the blue runner, small blue runner. And that's about it. And then that was on the jetty, and then we come around a cope and I catch one snapper. But it look like about 11 inches. I never have the ice box to measure him, but my estimation about 11 or 12 inches, you know, which is over the legal size, which is 8 inches. I would have said it's the legal size, but that's about 12. No, about 10, 11 or 12, something like that. But I know it's past 8 inches. So basically, let me go now still, you know. The water look alright still, same here, see there. But a whole lot of weed in the water, so I just saw it go still, you know. So here what now, no? I make a move still, no, people. I get out of here, so we'll see you guys in the next one, alright? Remember to like, share and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Not every day is a catching day. Well, I catch something today, but I don't catch the amount of fish that I really wanted to catch. But I say it goes still, you know. Sometimes I catch 1 and 2, sometimes I catch a whole heap. Today just a 1 or 2 fish day, so we'll see you guys in the next one, alright?